I just had a meeting, as you know, with Judge Garland, and I'm of the view that he is the right man for the time. He's the right man to be the ninth vote on the highest court in our land. And it's interesting to me because he's well known. He's been a judge for 20 years. He's a senior judge, the chief judge on the D.C. Appellate Court. And he's got a very thorough understanding of the law, has participated in a number of cases, represented the Department of Justice, as you know, in the Oklahoma City bombing case and got accolades. But what's interesting to me, this is the seventh Supreme Court justice that I would have been on the Judiciary Committee for. And about this time, one begins to get letters and comments and adverse comments, not a one. All that comes in are letters of acclamation of what a fine person he is, what a good judge he's been, the respect that his colleagues hold him in. And to me, that's a very strong indication that we have somebody of quality, someone of stature, someone who knows the law, and somebody that I think has an innate sense of what the American Constitution and the American judicial system is all about. I believe that he'd be an enormous asset to the Supreme Court of our country. And so I hope very much that my colleagues of the opposition party, the party in power in this House, will do this institution the credit of sitting down and meeting with him. Because not only is he the President of the United States nominee for the highest court of the land, but this is absolutely within precedent. There have been 14 different cases where the Senate has confirmed someone in the last year of a president's term. And this is not a 3-year term, it's a 4-year term. So I am hopeful that Merrick Garland will have what every other nominee has had, and that's a hearing and a vote in the Judiciary Committee and a vote on the floor of the United States Senate. And I can sort of immediately, when you do this enough, you see how some people are really very forthcoming. He was very forthcoming. He answered any question. He's thoughtful. But what comes over is that he's erudite and wise and knowledgeable.